If you're looking to elevate your suit with a handkerchief but aren't sure how to fold it, we've got you covered with folding techniques suitable for any occasion. For a classic look, start by laying the handkerchief flat on a clean surface, then fold it in half horizontally to create a rectangle. Depending on how much of the handkerchief you want to show, fold the short edge about 1.5 inches from the bottom before tucking it into your pocket with the folded side facing down. For a more elegant look, try a one-point fold. Start by laying your handkerchief flat and make a diagonal fold to form a triangle. Adjust the corners to resemble an envelope before placing it in your pocket, with the point facing up. If you prefer a two-point fold, offset the corners to create overlapping triangles. Fold them into a rectangular shape and slide it into your pocket with the tips peeking out. These simple steps will ensure your handkerchief adds the perfect finishing touch to your outfit.